Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to introduce you to Snagit. Now, Snagit has been around for many years. It's made by TechSmith Corporation. I've been using Camtasia since 1999, and just started getting back into Snagit this year. And I really didn't know what I was missing until I started using the program, and it is an awesome program. I'll put a link in the description below where you can download a free trial. So start your free trial, click on this free trial, go ahead and install it. When you install it, click the icon on your desk. I have mine pinned to the taskbar to start the program up. I'm just going to show you a few things that the software can do. So once you start it up, you get a little screen that looks like this. So here's all in one. I'll explain this in a minute. So if you're mainly capturing images, select this, and this will basically be set up just to capture images. If you're capturing video, click on this and use this. This is basically for capturing videos. If you do a combination of both, select all in one. Now you have to select a hotkey. Now you don't have to, but I do. Mine, click in here, just press screen. Now even when the program is closed, all I have to do is hit print screen, and it brings up the crosshairs and you can start capturing. So I'll show you that. Let's close out of this. Hit print screen. Let's just draw a region. I'm going to show you what I use it for video. The 69 aspect ratio is up. Okay, now put mic on. Yeah, system audio as well. So I use this lots on Facebook saying, let's record a short video here. Hi Heather, got your email. It was awesome. Good luck making Saskatoon blueberry pierogies. And just tell her things about things were happening. I could show her stuff like, hey, check out my phone and that is what I bought, and you can do all kinds of stuff with this, but this really isn't what the program is meant to record. So all you have to do is when you finish it, stop it. You'll be brought to the editor where you can edit this. The cool part is, let's play it back. Hi Heather, got your email. It was awesome. Just see you made a mistake here. You can cut this out. Cut it out. You can turn it to desired length. Meant to record. So all you have to do is, if you want to cut this part out, just cut it out. And then you have these options up here to share it. When you start, when you download Snagit, you'll be prompted to create an account with Screencast. And Screencast.com is, and these programs work hand in hand. All you have to do is upload a screencast. You'll get a shareable link. You can send it anywhere in the world. It can be that video, or you can just save it as a file, upload to Facebook or any other site. You can also have it set up to automatically send to YouTube, which makes it real happy that you don't have all these steps. All you do is click YouTube. The video is rendered and sent right to YouTube all in one step. Well, let's do what this program is meant for. So this is what I use it for, but let's do what it was meant to be. So let's get rid of this. Discard. Okay, let's go to this is the site I work for. So let's create a capture region print screen. Notice my name right here. Crazy Suit Man. Shoot again. Okay, let's just do So we're doing here a capture of screen video. See, if you have a problem like this problem is a software you're using. So what we do is we record this. We just go record. Get rid of the video. And press record. So now I'm taking a screencast video of the actual page. So you can go through and tell the people about different features on here. And when you're all done, press stop. Bring it back to the editor. You can edit this all out. If it's taking too long, just edit this all out. And again, this is really good for handy with tech support. When you're having a problem with a program, all you have to do is take a screencast of the program and have a shareable link, and you can insert that into YouTube comments as well to help people out. That's what I do. There's one other thing. I'm only going to touch a couple things here of what you can do. There's so much you can do with Snagit. It's just absolutely unbelievable. Creating animated GIFs. You can make an animated GIF here. I'll show you that in another video. Let's go back to here. If you're following my channel, you know I'm on a low sodium diet due to my health problems. And I bought this from the store the other day. And I want my dietitian to see it. So, print screen. And the problem is, I have to scroll down. The information is way at the bottom here. I can't even see it. So this is how you capture it. So let's just draw a box. And we're going to click here. Scrolling image. Click that. Start. Just go really slow. This is what I wanted to see right here. Calories and sodium. Stop. And here's your image. And that can be pasted into an email once again, or you can just use a screencast. Say I want to upload a screencast. So upload a screencast. It'll give you a progress bar up here. It's done. And you got your shareable link too. So the shareable link looks something like this. Paste. Enter. And click on that. And you're brought to screencast.com. And here's your image here. So that makes it real handy to use. So I'm going to touch on more features this program can do. Like the animated GIFs are awesome for making any kind of animated GIF. Like I'll touch on that in the future videos. But I just want to give you just an overview on Snagit. Once again, link in the description below on a free trial. It's absolutely free to try. And if you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price, and Natty Design Studio. You can be here too. Link below.